Hello everyone, welcome back to the Excel 2016 training. In this video, we'll take a look at the conditional formatting. Here is the conditional formatting exercise workbook, and we will work with the data that's on the worksheet employees. So conditional formatting is nothing but set of rules that will extract or highlight interesting data. For example, let's say you want to find out all the employees whose salary is say greater than $70,000. How would you do it? Rather than manually going there and visually looking at it, you can actually create a conditional that says, hey, do some formatting for this particular range of cells, and look for any value that is greater than $70,000, and that's how it works. So you need to first pick the range to work with and do conditional formatting, which is available on your home tab, and on the ribbon it's under styles group, conditional formatting, and we'll look at the highlight cells and say greater than, and here you say you want to find anything that's greater than $70,000. And you do have an options here. You pick the few coloring schemas that are currently available, or you can go ahead and design your own custom format. So this is LFL with dark yellow text. You can actually do a custom format and do automatic font color. Let's say I want the font color to be black, and the fill I want to be yellow. So now it's yellow. I can go there again. Font, I'll make it bold. It only picked it up, so make it bold. Fill, yellow. Okay. So now, as you can see, anything that's over $70,000 is coming up. Let's say I change it to this particular value to $72,000. It automatically adjusts its format. If I take it down for whatever reason, it's gone. That's for this whole range, by the way. So not just a greater, you can do a similar stuff with less than, between, equal to, and we'll look at these three in a minute, but say between. Let's say here I want to look for all records between $65,000 to $70,000. And say I want to custom format it to green fill. So we found one record with the condition. Now again, why do I apply such condition? It all depends on the data that you're looking for, and from there you would extract your condition and apply and use the appropriate one. So it's less than, equal to, it's pretty straightforward. Less than, you just give a value that is less than your desired value, and you can format the way you want it. Now three more options. Text that contains. So for whatever reason, let's say in a given range of cells, you want to format cells that contain certain string. Let's say you want to highlight all the cells that contain the string management. So there you go, it's done. So once you change it, the text, it will automatically change the format of the cell. I guess we have a couple more things in there. This is the date occurring. So with the date occurring, let's say for example you want to highlight anything, if a date falls within this month. Okay, this month you want to highlight it. See, it already found two records that fall into this month, which is June of 2017. Let's say one more thing. Let's say you want to find duplicates. Finding duplicates for the date or salary doesn't make any sense, but it makes more sense for the SSN column. So let me first format the cells. Specific social security number, okay, it gets formatted nicely. And now I want to see if there are any duplicate records here. Duplicate values, done. So I actually got 2 duplicate records. So we need to figure out, if someone gave a wrong SSN number, or if the number was entered incorrectly into the system. So depending on your need, you would apply the appropriate condition or appropriate rule to start formatting the data, meaning you're actually trying to get to the interesting data just by formatting, using these conditions. Well, that's it for this video.